भारतीय अदाकार सुनील शेट्टी कहते हैं कि पाक भारत मैचेस में भारतीय बोर्ड या प्लेयर्स की कोई गलती नहीं, खिलाड़ी का काम मुल्क की नुमाइंदगी करना है। अगर किसी को मैच नहीं देखना तो ये उसका इनफरादी फैसला है।
They'll have to abide by those rules and regulations. As Indians, I think that is our personal call that we have to take, whether we want to see it, whether we don't want to see it, whether we want to go or not go. And that's a call India has to take. But you cannot blame cricketers for playing, because they are sportsmen. They are expected to represent the country. So I think, that's a call we have to take. If I'm not going to see it, I'm not going to see it. So it's for you to decide what each one of you want to do.
But don't you think BCCI should have not?
It's not in BCCI's hand. It's a sporting body. It's the world sporting body. So you can't blame anybody. It's very easy to, but you can't.